Hello, today I want to present you a beautiful house, so follow me. Hello, I am Armand Boissy, your real estate agent in Lake Atitlan, Guatemala. So this beautiful house of a 6-bedroom is located in Jaibalito, on a little village just after Santa Cruz, only boat access. So you enter with this beautiful covered terrace, and you have right away the kitchen, very well equipped kitchen, great for people who like to cook. There's also next to it a pantry with a dryer and washing machine. Then it opens in the back, an all screen room opening directly to the garden and the back kitchen. The back kitchen is where the guests can make their own food. There's a fridge and everything, and social area where people can meet. It's all with the state-of-the-art equipment, water heater, filtration, you name it. The house is a 363 square meter with 211 square meter inside plus exterior area 152 square meter. In the back we have this beautiful raised garden where the owner is currently growing vegetables. Three bedroom in the back. Two of them we are seeing right now with opening directly on a covered porch, and they all share a bathroom with a walking Italian style shower. Also in the corner, in a very well set up tools shed. So again, this raised bed, you can grow all your own vegetable, herbs, and different vegetables. So this is a view of the back of the house with we can see the master bedroom outside terrace. Just below we have this beautiful atelier for the owner to create ceramic styles, and just after that an office, and following up living room, TV room kind of. On the bottom floor you have one bathroom with a shower also with a tile mosaic, and again we have the back bedroom all screen that lead us to the second floor through these inside stairs. So there's two access for the second floor where you have 3 bedrooms. This one is a big one with a queen bed and a sofa area. Then there's a second one with 2 single bed, and they all share a bathroom with a walk-in shower and tiles also, creation of the owner, beautiful. And the master bedroom all in this turquoise color with a walk-in closet, spacious walk-in closet, and it has its own private terrace in the back looking at the garden. Then from the terrace, from the inside, we get through the front terrace, very large front terrace with 2 hammocks, 2 sitting chairs where you can have a peek at the lake in the far back, and some stairs coming back also to the front. So it's a beautiful property, well located, well kept. So don't forget to subscribe, and see you to the next video.